I am going to show you how to make an origami sofa using simple, easy steps. Let's start. Take a square sheet paper like this. Fold from this side to this side. Fold it into half. Unfold it. Fold these two sides to the center. Like this. Unfold this side. Now fold the other side again to the center like this. Fold this piece down till this line like this. I have repeated it on the other side. Fold this piece back like this. Fold this piece of paper up like this. Repeat it on the other side. Unfold it. Also, unfold it on the other side. Place your finger inside and open it like this till here. Also on the other side, place your finger inside and open it like this. Take your paper and hold it like this. While holding it like this, fold from this corner to this corner. Fold it into half. On the other side also, fold it into half. Can you see it? Now pull out these two sides like this. While pulling, press the center side like this. Hold it in this position and keep the paper down like this. Your sofa is ready. See how nice these sofas are. Today we learned how to make an origami sofa using simple, easy steps. I hope you all had fun. Watch out this channel for more such creative fun.
Please like, share, subscribe, comment and click the bell icon for notifications. Create more